Today we're heading off for a little hike up Bluenose Mountain. You can see the face of it right there. It's actually a series of 3 volcanic peaks, obviously extinct, and the second one is on private property, so you can't actually get to it. And we don't plan on crossing the fence line because nobody really wants that. I don't think it's too bad of a hike. Nice big parking area. Signs are well posted on where to go, so we'll see how the journey is.
Well, we're about 5 minutes into our hike. Had to use the mosquito spray. Ton of mosquitoes out here. And we are going straight up.
So we made it to the top of, I don't know, the first bump, maybe the third, I don't know, they're not really numbered, but big open area. I think it took about 30-35 minutes. We didn't really take any breaks or anything, and there's a lot of switchbacks. It was actually quite steeper than I thought it was going to be, but no, pretty decent. Good views of Coldstream Valley over that way. This is kind of the Aberdeen Plateau. You can see a bunch of little houses in the background there. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but and then, over here is the other bump we can hike to. We'll call it the third. And the second one's over there, which has private property, so we're going to stay off that. Not sure if you can see on the camera at all, but over that way you can see the Monashee Mountains, Mount Fostel Ridge. Still has lots of snow on it. You probably can't see it on the too far away. Just cruising now. Left the one bump, and unfortunately you got to drop a lot of elevation across the little valley to the bottom and then go up the next one. So loose footing. Yeah, she's good. So yeah, watch the footing, a little slippery right there, a bit dry. Yeah, so it's not quite as rewarding as the just one peak summits, because then you go down and up and then you go back down again. So definitely enjoyable. A great little hike so far, nice and quiet, few cobwebs, lots of wildflowers out as you've seen. Alright, this is the top of the third bump, I guess now. Nice big flat area. Good views of the Camel's Hump. You can learn about that a little bit. We did hike that a short while back, so we will put a link in the comment section below so you can read about that hike if you care to do it. Coldstream, or the Lavington Valley, onto Lumbee there, Monashee Mountains. Nice good viewpoint. This hike is kind of the same, a little bit steep. Steeper than I thought it was going to be. It's not too bad, but and watch your footing on the way down. It does get a bit slippery and loose. Today was, I think, mid-20s, so it does get warm. Lots of switchbacks, and I might recommend walking poles for people with bad knees and things like that. But all in all, it's a pretty good hike. Nice and quiet. A little bit of mosquitoes in the early season here, but bring your repellent. There was a sign down below saying watch out for cougars, so I don't know how many of them are around. But like you say, you don't want to be too cautious with them, because bad things can happen in a hurry. And just like the Camel's Hump over there, there is cell phone reception up here, so if something does happen, you can always call for help. And most people will know where Bluenose Mountain is, so quite easy to find. Yeah, I think it is a relatively good hike, pretty quiet. Pretty straightforward.